It's official. We have way too many eggs than we can eat ourselves. Over the past couple of weeks, our chickens have all started to lay, and that's around 20 chickens laying 20 eggs per day. And that's more eggs than me and Chris can even think about eating per day, as well as just giving away to friends and family. Now we're gonna actually start to sell them. One way that I got inspired to do this is we actually decided to be a part of a craft fair and needed a way to bring our eggs, keep them refrigerated, and sell them. And that's where the idea of this egg sales cart came about. And then we're also going to be making some additions and adding it to the end of our driveway so that we can sell eggs and have this stand going full time. We're gonna be selling our eggs for around $5 a dozen. This is the going rate in our area. With inflation, this may go up. I know I was at the grocery store the other day and eggs were actually $7 for organic brown eggs. So who knows if that price will go up, but right now we're gonna be selling them for $5, and we're gonna be showing you how we're making our egg stand. I'm Danielle from the Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel. If this is your first time coming here, thank you so much. We're very excited to have you. If you enjoy this content, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And without further ado, we're gonna show you how we're building out our stand. Now, before you even get any of the supplies, you're definitely going to want to research in your area. Every state and county or town has different laws around what you can and cannot sell, what you can put at the end of your street, if you can have signs up. So definitely make sure that you do your research. You call your town and you make sure that you can even sell eggs before you get into this. But once you know that you can and you have enough eggs to supply it, you just want to make sure that you're following the right regulations. I know in our town, there are different laws around how far you have to be from the street, what you can put on the sign, and how to actually label your eggs. We do have a really great labeler, and I'll link that down below. You can get it on Amazon and just create your own labels. And it's a lot cheaper than purchasing labels from Etsy or getting custom labels created. And again, you can use Canva to create these, and they're super easy. So you'll definitely want to make sure to do that and definitely have your branding on everything so everyone does know that they're your eggs, where they came from, and they can share them with others. Once you do that, then you can start to build the stand. And the first step is we got this big old cooler. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this so you guys can see what it looks like. My favorite color is blue, and I wanted something to stand out in the street when people drove by, so I knew I wanted to get something different than just like a white or black cooler. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this. It is officially all put together. So now I'm going to clean it up, and then we're going to put the lettering on here so you guys can see what it looks like. Now, my vision for this is to have words here, and then I think we might build a wood sign above, and then I also have a little cash deposit box. But this is a nice lock on it, so you can put cash in the top. I'll put the cost of how much they are on here, and then I'm also going to put a Venmo scan code on here and probably laminate that. And what I like about doing the wood side is I can actually nail this into that. So what I'm gonna do now is I created some words to go on the side of the cooler on my Cricut machine, and I put some images on here. So I'm just going to lay them out, make sure I like how it is, and then I'm going to stick them on. I think this is going to look so great. I'm so excited. Now, we did, of course, a chicken, but we also have quail. And voila! We have our little chicken, our quail, and we're going to then add on the deposit box on this side. I'm gonna make a little piece for the Venmo. Thank you so much for watching. There are a few other adjustments that we're gonna be making to this stand, but we did have a really successful craft fair. Here's a picture of what the stand looked like in all of its glory during that day, where we made over $250 in sales, and we're still letting that business grow. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button to become a part of our journey, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.